Hi, this is Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the control panel, and now if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should click here to the settings icon. Here you will see this down section with invisible options which you could add to your panel. Just to add them, we should click on each of these plus icons, and to remove some of the options from the panel, we should just click here on this red minuses by this way. Just to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should just hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. And to save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comments and subscribe our channel.